Good afternoon, everybody. We're back here in the country of Tanzania, which is such a beautiful place. Right here, I have one of our guests, one of our speakers here, and we're going to find out what his name is. Good afternoon, sir. What is your name?
My name is John Shusho. I'm the Bishop of RHIC Church.
Nice to meet you, sir. Please, how has this meeting been a blessing to you?
The meeting has been so blessing to me because it's transforming me and the people who attended this meeting. In fact, it is giving us new things as leaders. It carries the real purpose of LeadImpact University. It's transforming our mind and changing the way of conducting our services and leadership in our churches.
Thank you so much, sir, for your time. Thank you. Thank you, sir.